Hello everyone, this is our first class, and in our first class on immunology, we are going to start by introduction to immunity. We are going to define immunity. We are going to know the types of immunity and how the body is able to protect itself from infections. Welcome to class, and let's cooperate during this class. Yes, we'll start by defining what is immunity, and we'll say immunity is the ability of an organism to resist a particular infection or toxin by the action of cells of specific antibodies or sensitized white blood cells. The body is able to recognize an infection or a toxin as being foreign to itself, and it reacts by producing antibodies or by activating white blood cells, which will be used to fight an infection. So we are going to study the types of immunity, and we'll say there are two types of immunity. One is the innate immunity, and another one is the adaptive immunity. Under innate immunity, we say that innate immunity is the non-specific defense mechanism that a body uses to fight infections. And when we say non-specific, it means that there is no, the body responds in a general manner. It does not have to follow a particular sequence, and it includes specific host determinants, which include the species and strain. Then we have individual genetic factors, we have age, we have hormonal balance. The innate immunity is also composed of the physical determinants. The physical determinants include the skin and the mucous membrane and the moist surfaces of the body. The skin is a thick horny layer that covers the body, and it prevents entry of microorganisms into the body. The mucous membrane also prevents microorganisms from entering the body, and the moist surfaces also prevent entry of microorganisms. The anatomical traps, such as the nasal cavity, is composed of hairs that also trap microorganisms to prevent them from entering into the trachea and into the lungs. The mechanical cleansing of the cilia. The cilia are located on the trachea of the respiratory system, and it also does the cleaning of the trachea by removing organisms that are trapped on the surface of the trachea. Another response of the innate immune system is the production of active antimicrobial determinants, which include the antibacterial and the antifungal secretions of the skin, the antibacterial and the antiviral secretions of the mucous membrane, the antimicrobial substance of tissue fluids, e.g. the lysozyme, phagocytosis, and digestion. And with that, we have come to the end of this class. Thank you for your cooperation. Any questions? Any questions, class? Any comments? If there are no comments or questions, we have come to the end of the class. Thank you.